I'm going to be doing a Halloween tutorial inspired by the Queen of Halloween, Crispy, and I'm going to be doing one of her signature skull looks, mainly inspired by the one she just did with Maybelline, I think it was. I saw it in her recent vlog and I really loved it, so I ended up getting a new palette, which was the Morphe 35M Bus Mood palette. So I'm going to be creating my Halloween look using this. So yeah, keep watching. Yeah. So I have a few screenshots that I took on my phone just to get a bit of inspo, just in terms of like shapes and all that kind of thing. So this is such a mean screenshot, but this is what hers looked like, which was amazing. And I kind of like the tears. Oh, and this was like a front-on screenshot. So let's try and create something like that, fingers crossed. I've already gone ahead and prepped my skin and done my foundation, concealer and brows, and I'm going to go straight in with my eyes and using my, I can't even speak, P. Louise base. This is shade, I'm pretty sure this is Rumour Zero, so the white one, which I kind of wish I'd got a skin colour one, but I wasn't sure if I'd like it or not, and I found it blends out really easily anyway, so it kind of just blends into the skin once you've started layering your shadows on. So yeah. Oh hey, just looking for my mirror. Cool, so I'm just going to take a bit of that on both sides of my brush and just pat that all over. So after, oh, you're that high up, sorry. After looking through, I think I still want to go with doing a green eye look and then doing the skull with these more purple shades down at the bottom. I'm pretty much going to stick to like this row. This row. This row, not even funny. Yeah, so I will zoom in again so we can crack on with my eyes. So I'm going to go in with Stroke of Luck, just buffing that in to my crease. Cool, and then now that I've done that, I'm just going to build in Express Yourself, baby, which is just a deeper shade than the one I've got on now, and just pretty much copy where I've put that. I'm then taking Hello Sunshine, which is just another variation of that green, and I'm just going to take it onto my lid. Perfect. And then for my inner corners, I'm just going to grab my favourite Real Techniques based shadow brush, and I'm going to go in with Bold Moves, and I'm just going to pad that onto my brush first, like dry, and then if it needs a pop, yeah, then we'll just spritz it on. And then I'm just going to get some spritz, and just really pad that on to my brush and pop that on my inner corner. Just to add a bit more colour to the lid, I'm going to go in with Electric Energy and just take that on the middle section. So that is the eye finished for now. I'll just go off camera and complete the other one. So this is what the eyes look like so far, and I'm going to go ahead and bring underneath that Stroke of Luck shade, which is the lightest green, and just bring that under my eyes. While I was off camera, I just applied a few coats of mascara using my Maybelline Total Temptation on my top and bottom lashes, and then I guess we're just going to go ahead and get started using the, well, starting the skull side of things. I don't know why I'm like, can't work out what I'm doing. So I was thinking of going and using these 3 shades here in the same row as the greens, which are Bossy AF, Power Slayer and Indie Glow Queen. And I thought using maybe the Power Slayer and Indie Glow Queen, the Power Slayer is like a purple, I'll just show you instead of this one, and then the shimmery one to sort of like accent any sections that I want to. So I thought we should probs start with my nose, because I think that'll be the hardest bit. So I'm gonna zoom you in so we can. I'm like, I hope this all goes together now that I've started. But okay, it's just sort of like round. Just gonna use my UK MUA. It's like a flat top round brush, flat square brush. I think this will be good. Oh, I'm gonna bring you down just while I go down. And then I'm gonna swap brushes because I'm already thinking I'll need something a little bit rounder. Just gonna take that Power Slayer and just draw a little nose, I guess. I think we should just jump right in with the contour lines. I'm like going to look at the mirror and look at crispy at the same time. Yeah, this is doable. I don't know why I'm acting like it's like the hardest thing ever. Okay, I'm gonna take that same flat top round brush and go in with Power Slayer. Now I'm just gonna take my big buffing brush and just start to buff away at that, and then I'll add some more of the colour in to add the graduation. Okay, so I've done that, and then I'm just gonna buff that out so it looks smooth, not all like it does. Doesn't look that way, does it? And then I'm gonna take Indie Queen Glow and just pad that over the baseline. See, my wonderful camera died whilst I was finishing that off. Might need a bit more shading, but I'll come back to it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the head dips. Just taking a quick look back at my reference if I can. Oh no. She's got one, so maybe she just did the one side, but I've got 2 sides, so. Cool. Let's take Power Slayer and carve out some holes. I'm nervous. Is it? So it's like deeper towards the front. Now I'm going to bring those tears down in the same colour that I'm doing the rest in, Yeah, so let's do that in Power Slayer. Tears done. Feel like I look more like a clown at the moment, but maybe the lips will solve that. For my lips, I'm just gonna take Power Slayer and use that same brush and line my lips to start with. I'm gonna go ahead and go just straight in with Indie Glow Queen and do the lines on my lips. And to finish this look, I'm just going to go in with my Doll Lash Frenchy lashes and I'm going to apply those off camera. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed following this tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.